Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to back up Samsung to cloud. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. Now scroll down, locate and click on general management. Under general management, scroll down, locate and click on reset. Then you should say back up your data, temporary cloud backup, external storage backup. To back up to cloud, click on temporary cloud backup. And then it should say backup and restore with Samsung Cloud. Go ahead and click on backup data. Once you click on backup data, your Samsung phone is going to search for available data to backup. So you just need to hang on your Samsung phone to search for what you have on your Samsung phone to backup. Now you should see all you can back up on your Samsung phone. If you're unable to back up, just go ahead and uncheck some of other big files you have on your Samsung phone, and then go ahead and click on backup. Once you click on backup, this is going to create a backup on your Samsung phone. You can keep the screen on or stop the backup. Now just hang on until the backup is done, and after that you are done. So that's exactly how to back up Samsung phone to cloud. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.